hintay na ako. Nangangamba ako. Nangangamba ako na baka sa pag-utot ko may kasama ng laman. Kaya't pilit na pinaglalaban. Hindi ko to susukuan. Kahit tubol pang laman.
Mamahalin kita ng buong buo kahit nasa malayo ka. Magtitiis ako kahit hindi kita kasama. Basta ang mahalaga, mahal natin ang isa't isa. My day ng friend ko, sana all.
Magaling kang kupal ka.
Ang galing mo din, no? Pinagkalat mo na iniwan kita. Pero hindi mo pinagkalat na niloko mo ko.
Huwag mo kong ginagago. Umanap ka na lang ng DJ Bonbon Remix.
Caraca, você tá bravo? Vem lançar comigo. Bora, bora! Mãozinha pra frente, ombrinho, cabeça vira e bora. Oi, toma, toma. Oi, toma, toma. Mãozinha pra frente, ombrinho, cabeça vira e bora. Oi, toma, toma. 1, 2, 3, pula. Vem, toma, toma. Vai, toma, toma.
Bakit may mga girlfriend na magtatanong, love, mahal mo pa rin ba ako kung maging sinulid ako? Gago ka ba?
웬일이니? 야, 걔가 어디가 스페셜하냐? 걔가 하면 한유라 스페셜이 아니지. 한유라 normal이지, normal. 나 진짜.
Mahal na mahal kita, pero pag once ako niloko mo, kawawa naman ako. Awa ka naman sa akin.
Girls, ano yung feeling pag nasiko yung dede? Oops! Yung may mga dede lang po ang pwedeng sumagot.
Alam mo, hindi na kita pipiliting mag-stay sa buhay ko. Kung aalis ka, edi, sama ako.
On the way na ako, papunta na sa'yo. Hintayin mo ako, nagpagas.
Lahat ng mahilig sa kape, karamihan, walang jowa.
1, 2, 3,
Nakakatuwa, yung may handang maghintay sa'yo, kahit busy ka sa iba, handa niyang hintayin yung libreng oras mo para sa kanya. Nakakatats. Yung mga hugasin.
Bakit kaya? Bakit ka ba naghihintay? Nahimukin pa, pilitin ka ng tadhana. Alam mo na kung bakit nagkakaganyan. Lumulutang, nasasayang at ang ibinubulong ng iyong puso. Natutulog ba ang Diyos? Natutulog ba? At ikaw ay agad sumusuko. Kunting hirap at munting pagsubok lamang. Bakit ganyan? Nasaan ang iyong
tutulog pa ang Diyos. Ang buhay mo ay mayroong halaga sa Kanya. Dapat na ba na ikaw ay maghintay at himukin pa, pilitin pa ng tadhana? Gawin mo na kung ano ang nararapat. Magsikap ka at magtiwala sa may kapal. Nakahanda ang Diyos umalalay sa'yo. Hinihintay ka lang, kaibigan. Sikapin mo, pilitin mo, tibayan ang iyong puso. Tanging ikaw ang huhubog sa iyong bukas. Huwag mo sanang akalain na tutulog pa ang Diyos. Ang buhay mo ay mayroong halaga sa Kanya. Just what is it in me? Sometimes I just don't know what keeps me in your love. Why you never let me go. And though you're in me now, I fall and hurt you still. My Lord, please show me how to know just how you feel. You have forgiven me too many times, it seems. I feel I'm not what you might call a worthy Christian after all. And though I love you so, temptation finds its way to me. Teach me to trust in you with all of my heart, to lean not on my own understanding. I just forget you won't give me what I can't bear. Take me out of the dark, my Lord, I don't wanna be there. You never left my side. You gave your hand to me to hold. Oh Jesus, I'm no longer in the cold. And yeah, I leave you there when I feel satisfied. I'd like to thank you every day, not only when I feel that way. I never knew the man who'd give his life for sinners like me. And yet because he loves us so, he's promised us eternity. And we can have that promise and be his if we have faith and just believe. Teach us to trust in you with all our heart, to lean not on our own understanding, 'cause we
I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I've found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so. But through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt we'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the years.
Masayang mga araw na kasama kita. Paglalambing at kulit mo na hindi nakakasawa. Punong-puno ng ligaya ang ating pagsasama.
magkasama, na parang wala nang sisira ng lahat. Bakit ba dumating ang oras na ito? Nabalitaan ko na wala ka na. Di ba't sabi mo hindi mo ko iwan? Di pa ba bayan na ako'y mag-isa? Di ba't sabi mo sabay tayong tatanda? Bakit bigla ka na lang nandyan sa kabilang buwan? Paano na lahat? Paano na ako? Tayo di ba't sinabi mo sa'kin na sabay tayo mangangarap? Bakit bigla kang lumisan nang hindi man lang nagba